Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the Horrocks apparatus. So the Horrocks apparatus, it is used to estimate the chlorine demand of water. So the chlorine demand of water is seen. It is widely used in disinfection of the wells. So to disinfect, in disinfection of the wells, it is used to find out how much bleaching powder is required, to find the bleaching powder requirements. So the contents of the water testing apparatus includes, there are 6 white cups, so they are 200 ml each. There is one black cup, this is with a circular mark. One black cup, this is with a circular mark. There are 2 metal spoons, and this is each holds 2 gram of bleaching powder. So each holds 2 gram bleaching powder. There are 7 steering rods as well as 1 special pipette. There is presence of 2 droppers. There is also a starch iodide indicator solution. Now let's look at the procedure. The procedure is by using 2 grams of bleaching powder, so 2 gram bleaching powder, it is to create the thin paste in the black cup. So we create a thin paste in the black cup, and this is known as a chlorine stock solution. So it is a chlorine stock solution. The 6 white cups are filled with water to be tested. So 6 white cups, they are filled with water and it's just to be tested. There is add-on. We should add 1 drop of the stock solution to the first cup. 1 drop of stock solution. This is to the first cup. Then 2 drops to the second cup. Then 3 to the third, and so on to the 6 drops to the sixth cup. So stir the cup and wait for half an hour. So we do the stirring and wait for half an hour, and add 3 drops of starch iodine indicator to each cup. Then you add 3 drops of starch iodide and the indicator, this is an indicator. It is done to each cup. There is a development of the blue color. There is development of the blue color, and in the apparatus this indicates, so blue color in the apparatus, this will indicate the free residual chlorine. So there is free residual chlorine. The first cup which develops the color, gives the estimate of the amount of bleaching powder required. So it will give the amount of bleaching powder which is required to disinfect the 455 liters of the sample water. So the chlorine demand, now we look at what is chlorine demand. So the chlorine demand or the dose of bleaching powder. The dose of the bleaching powder required is given by there is N into 2 gram for 455 liters of water. That is N into 2 grams of the bleaching powder is required to disinfect the 455. So it is required to disinfect the 455 liters of water. So here N, if you see, N represents the position of the cup. Position of the cup, that is 1, 2, 3, and that was first to show the distinct blue color. This is to show the distinct blue color.